It's real estate genius time, brother. Top of the month of February to you.
Yes.
What a thrill it is to be with you on another Real Estate Genius, where we make you a genius about the local central Indiana housing market. And I couldn't be more excited to be doing this show, brother. I don't know why. Just it always delights me. This is always a good moment.
It is. It is. We like helping our people out.
We do. Before we help our people out, brother, I want to tell you about something that's going on in my life and see if you can help me or see what your thoughts are. And that's
Ready.
related to my TV viewing habits.
Okay.
Obviously, we watch a lot of sports, but outside of sports, I have been on what is now, I'm wrapping up a year-long journey watching every single episode of Below Deck that has ever been in existence. And it's been delightful. It's garbage TV. It's mindless. It's been so much fun. I love it so much. I've talked about it a little bit here and there.
You do love it. I have never watched an episode of that show.
I can't even say that I recommend it. I'm not proud of it, but it is just wildly entertaining to me. And it's really been a delight for me for the last year. But now, and they're coming out with new seasons and things like that. But as far as like binging through, I'm kind of at the end of this, right? And so now,
Is it reality TV or is it like a sitcom?
Is. No,
Okay.
It's reality TV. It is. It's each season follows a charter season where the captain and crew are working these luxury yachts, and rich and famous people rent the yachts for a charter, which is usually just a couple of days. So it's about the crew taking care of the guests, and they'll do usually like 9 or so charters over the course of a season.
Okay.
So, you get to know the crew, their interactions. They're all, of course, young, attractive people. So they're all interested in dating each other and all of those things, and
Yeah.
all the drama that comes with. Sometimes the charter guests are wonderful, and sometimes they're awful and high maintenance. So there's a lot going on in any given season. So I guess I'm now saying, like, what should I watch? And I would be curious to know, what are you watching these days outside of just the sporting life? What shows are you enjoying, if anything?
Well, right now, so I'm disappointed I don't remember as much of The Office as I wish I did. So I've started back through it.
Good for you.
So that's been fun. The next 2 weeks, you obviously got the Olympics.
Oh, yeah. I don't
Option
remember.
every day and every night.
We probably should have just been talking all about the Olympics on this.
Yep.
I'm not a huge Olympics guy, but I know you are.
Yeah, we love it. We absolutely love it. I've seen so much curling already, and it's glorious.
That's great. Curling.
I'm gonna throw it back. I think later this month, Survivor 50 gets started.
Well,
And
I
think
will
it's gonna
say,
be interesting. I think it's going to be different than they've ever done before, from some of the teasers that they've put out there. So I would recommend that.
yeah, it's going to be a good one. Brother, do you remember that we used to get together with friends and family and watch the finale together?
Yes.
Back in the glory.
Yes. With Dairy Queen Blizzards, right? Wasn't that part of it?
Yeah, I think that was part of it. We definitely had like Survivor night before all the DVR and all the on-demand and all that. We had Survivor night. You had to like be there and watch it. But we would do Blizzards more often than not on Survivor night.
Yes.
We
would
would
too.
say it's Survivor night. So
That's right. The finale, it was like a thing. That's right.
Oh, it was a thing. Oh, we loved it. So, roger that. Well, listen, I could go on and on about watching TV, but we probably should get to the market stats, brother. Let's dive right in.
All right, off we go. So home sales, we're looking back at January 2026, which is still weird to say.
Yes.
Comparing it to January of 25, home sales were down 6.9% over a year ago. And I will attribute that to the foot of snow that we got late January. That shut everything down for quite a while.
It definitely did. That's right. And if you think like, that was a week or week and a half, that would definitely impact those numbers that way for sure. Yeah.
Yes.
So, median sale price, $297,000. That's up 2.4% compared to last year. And that's just a sign, it's the steady, slow, healthy appreciation that a normal, healthy housing market has. So median sale price, $297,000.
Good stuff right there. Inventory is up 17% over a year ago. So a few more options out there. If you are a winter buyer that's looking right now, there's time to browse what's out there, and there are more options for you to consider.
Yes, that's right. I'm going to say if you're not a winter buyer and are thinking about being a spring buyer, you should consider being a winter buyer because, as you said, the inventory is up, so there are more homes. And as I'm going to share, 51 days on market is the
Yeah.
average right now. So homes are sitting longer on the market. By the way, we should note before you panic and say that, oh, the bubble is bursting in real estate. A normal balanced market, you're talking about 90 to 120 days on market. That's when supply and demand are equal. It's usually closer to the 120 days. So the fact that it is, or even longer than that, the fact that it's 51, even though that's high given recent years stats, that is still very normal, and it means we're still in a seller's market overall, right? But if you're not a winter buyer, there are homes on the market and longer time to see it, and less competition as well.
If we can be of service to you at all, if you're thinking even a little bit about moving, even this summer or this coming fall, we're meeting with people actively every week right now to set plans in motion, help people get ready for their buying or selling or both journey in 26. So happy to do that for you if you're looking for specific neighborhood stats for either a neighborhood you're looking to get into or where your house is currently placed that you want to list maybe later this year or next, and want some more details. Drop us a comment below, message either one of us. We're happy to get information your way so that you can make a good decision.